All right, we are shifting focus now in Jammu and Kashmir, where there are three encounters that are currently underway. Forces are fighting terrorists in three different regions of the valley: Kulgam, Katwa and Thana Mandi. In the latest, heavy firing was exchanged between the forces and the terrorists in Thana Mandi on Sunday. I'm going to be going straight across to Mir Farid, getting in more details on that big story. We understand that the area in Thana Mandi has been cordoned off. Mir, also in Kulgam, the encounter is underway for over 48 hours now. What more can you tell us?
Well, as far as Kulgam encounter is concerned, it has ended, and there are two militants who were killed. But as far as Kathua is concerned, it's an ongoing operation. And as you rightly said, in Thana Mandi, Rajouri, again, an operation is ongoing, a joint effort of the Army, Police, and CRPF. But it is the Kathua encounter where casualties have happened. Police have lost a head constable, Bashir Ahmed, who was killed in the first firefight. There was an intense exchange of fire with the Jaish militants who were occupying the forested area on the Kathua Heights. In this encounter, Bashir Ahmed was grievously wounded and then he succumbed to his injuries. Two other cops, including a DYSP of the operations of the area, was also injured, though they are said to be stable. Now, in this, the security forces did manage to eliminate one Jaish militant. His body has been recovered, and also some arms and ammunition. A survival kit has also been recovered. Now, as we have been saying, that these are very difficult operations. These are tricky operations because these militants are armed to their teeth, where they're very well trained, and there is a possibility that they are being trained by or have been trained by the SSG, that is the elite commando wing of the Pak Army. And that's why they are using the jungle setting to their advantage. They're engaging the security forces and then trying to slip into the forest area. These are very tough operations because of multiple reasons. But the Army, Police, CRPF, all the forces together are trying their best to sanitize these forest areas of these militants who have been using this forest area from the last at least couple of years in Jammu, causing casualties and then slipping back into the dense forest. So these operations underway, but I can tell you Kulgam operation is over, but Thana Mandi and Kathua, at both locations, the operation continues. Sneha?
Operations in Kathua and Thana Mandi continues is what Mir Farid is telling us, reporting right now from Jammu and Kashmir about the current situation. I'm going to thank you, Mir, for getting us up to speed with those details.